The Big Buddy Turbo Torch is the newest addition to the growing line of Blazer Products dual-use torches. The Big Buddy was specifically engineered for both professional and home use. This companion to the Big Shot GT8000 features the same powerful 2500-degree Fahrenheit wind-resistant torch flame, an instant ignition system, a flame lock lever, and up to 60 minutes of continuous use. The child-resistant lock provides peace of mind in any environment, while the heat-resistant ceramic nozzle system delivers additional protection against the normal heat transferred to the torch's nozzle. The Big Buddy Turbo Torch is available in a wide range of colors. You're sure to find a favorite. The Big Buddy Turbo Torch features state-of-the-art manufacturing and attractive outer finish and all of the value you've come to expect from Blazer products. When only the hottest torch will do, the Big Buddy Turbo Torch nails it. Visit blazerproducts.com for the complete line of torches, lighters, and new torch accessories.